Hello, my name is Sharat Srivastava, founder and CEO of Restore, India's first ISO certified hard disk drives, solid state drives repair and recertification center. Hard disk drives, if you look at that, there is one media is there which does the recording. There is a head which does the read and write operation on the media. Now, if you look at these two components, these components are very, very fragile and they fly at very, very close to each other. Now, what happens when you drop the drives with just even the 2 inches drop can cause a damage, a dent mark on the drive. So it's very important for us to really take care of a hard disk drives so that recovery is much better. At Restore, we process thousands of drives. Now, we want to show you how you can protect it, drives, how you can package it in a proper way, and what are the improper way you can avoid it so that your drive becomes safe. And suppose if you lose your data, if the drive is not functional, you can come to Restore. We will able to repair or recover your drives.